What's going on, everybody? This is B. Adams. Welcome back. I know what you came to see, baby. You can't see that race. Can't see showdown. Showdown between me and the co-captain. I know what you can't see. Today's the day. Today's the day me and the co-captain get out there and get them Losi thangs out there and line them up. Now, before we jump right into it, I have to give you a little bit of the backstory for what's about to happen. If you've been following along on the channel, then you already know that me and the co-captain both, this past few weeks to a month, have had a few complications on our vehicles, which we had to take care of. And after that, we sort of kind of had two different upgrades on our cars. Me being the one that had the new wheels and tires, the belted tires, and the co-captain being the one having those limiters, shock limiters, taken out when we were rebuilding his car. Now, due to the fact that we are here in Illinois and the weather has not been treating us so well these past few weeks, we never really had a day to get out there like we wanted to and just run the cars. It's been raining like crazy. Off and on, raining, off and on. It'll say it's clear, then it'll rain. It'll say it's raining, then it'll be clear. We don't know what's going on with the weather. So we never really had a clear day to get out there where we both had time to get out there and make the runs after the adjustments to our car. Then lo and behold, we got a day. Yet when we were least expecting it, this past Sunday, we got a day that was clear enough where we can get out there in a parking lot that was long enough to be able to open the cars up and really run them things. Now, I'm going to just tell you right now, before you don't be surprised now, because where you're about to pick up this video, I'll just say it, we forgot all about the camera. We forgot about I'm driving. We forgot all about the filming part of everything. We were so geeked about having a day. We got straight out there. We literally, I think we both ran through a whole battery before we even thought about recording. It's probably good too, because there were a lot of crashes. Getting the hanks off is what they call it. Getting the hanks off, it was a lot of crashes between me and the co-captain. My car got stuck under a car. That's how bad it was. That's how bad it was. But what you all are picking up at, we basically got the hanks off. We ran through a battery apiece getting the hanks off. I think I got one clip of daytime, and then after that, it was night. It was night. That's how much we forgot about filming. We forgot all about a channel that we have. We forgot about everything. We didn't think about the camera until the moon was out. The sun was gone. The moon was out. The good thing I can say about it, I guess, we were well warmed up where you all are about to pick this up. Check it out. I didn't think it was going to happen. Test run day, and the co-captain has ran in the back of me and knocked this bump off. But I can't just say it's on him, because I have literally been beating this car up all day. So much that we haven't even been keeping count of the crash meter anymore. You know what I'm saying? I think I'm going to just give us about 3 points each. I think that'll cover it. For what we've been through out here today, I think I'm going to give us about 3 points each on the crash meter. Yes, sir. Me and the co-captain out here getting it together, baby. Laying some rubber down. Getting these things dialed in for the racing season. Co-captain back. We done had a few crashes. I ain't going to lie. We've been tearing these things up out here, but it don't matter, because we getting these things ready, baby. Co-captain, let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's raise rubber down. We ready to do the driving. Who ready to do the driving? We gonna do the driving. We get that 69 Camaro and that 78 Malibu out here ready, baby. We ready, baby. Getting a little squirrely. You got nervous. Thing moving. Can't even see it no more. Oh. know you can't see that joint.
Can't. You low-key need some, yeah, low-key need some lights.
Put this together.
Yeah, that was a good one. Laying that rubber down.
Yep. We comfortable at this point. We've been running the cars for a minute. He feeling himself. I'm feeling it a little bit. It was inevitable. It's only one thing left to do. What you got? Line them up.
3, 2, 1, go.
Damn.
Okay. Okay. In both of our defense, I feel like we were a little anxious. We were definitely anxious about this race. So that's why
3, 2, 1, go. Two, one, go. Man. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, go. Two, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
the Losi brothers, baby. The Losi brothers, baby. The Losi brothers is back. We back like we never left. We back like we never left. We ready to do some driving, baby. We gonna tune these things up. We gonna tune them up. We getting them right. Yes, sir. Yes, sirski. That old boo thing. And that old Camaro, that 69 Camaro thing. Yes, sir. Did some pretty good driving tonight. Nice test run tonight. Tow up some cars, got them back together, got them back out on that road. Ran some batteries down, put some more batteries in, ran them joints down. I think me and the co-captain are getting the hang of this thing. What I do know, I can see we definitely have to get in there and adjust those slipper clutches. I know that is the problem. That's what's going on and why we can't totally keep the car straight the way we need them to off the launch. We definitely got to get in there and play with those slipper clutches. That is up next. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Walked away with that W. Walked away with that W, baby. Definitely have fun getting out there, getting behind the wheel of that thing. Once again, it's been a minute since we got out there and got the cars active. I'm glad we got out there and we had a head-up race. And what I can say, the good thing about us is we've never raced anybody ever. So what we figured out was racing each other would make us better behind the wheel against other opponents. So we will have more B. Adams versus the co-captain races in the future. Now the co-captain, I ain't gonna lie, the co-captain was running that thing. And also, like you heard me mention, we will be diving into those slipper clutches, which is one of the last things, not the last thing, but one of the last things that we have to check off of our list that we have not checked on the car at all, period. So coming in the near future, we will be diving into our slipper clutches. And no, we don't know what we're doing. So we will be reaching out to get as much advice as we can before we take our hand at this and possibly mess something up and have to take the car to Hobby Town. So while we get back to doing what we do, cranking this footage out, what I need you all to do, you already know what I'm finna say. I need y'all to get down and smash that subscribe button. Yes, get down in the comments. Let us know. Please let us know what you all think about this race. Let us know what you all think about our journey into no prep RC drag racing thus far. Like the videos, tell a friend to get in tune. Till the next time, y'all, I'm B. Adams and I'm driving.